getting myself high.
Oh my God.
I get a strong smell through my body. You stupid bastard.
Word up, people. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it right this time because I was a rookie last time I did this Chelada. So I've learned a few things in a couple of weeks here. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And it's good, and everybody's going to have their own way to do it. But try it this way once, and you'll be like, that's it. This is the best way yet. So first of all, take your damn cheap-ass Worcestershire generic bullshit and throw it in the fucking garbage. Goodbye. That shit, don't buy it. I told you in the first one, you know, even for cooking, whatever, don't buy the cheap Worcestershire. And it did ruin these drinks. It tastes like piss water, cat piss. Lee and Perrins, baby. That's the only stuff you should buy for cooking, drinking, anything. That's it. That made a big difference right there, just using real Worcestershire. Anyway, I'm not going to show you the amount so much because I use this big cup here. Let me show you. But I'm going to show you what ingredients, which I got to give a shout out to one of my subscribers told me about this here. You got to have this. Go get this. It's way about this stuff after. This stuff's not near as good, and it's like $4 for this damn thing. This stuff's like piss, junk, garbage. Get the badia chili lime. You gotta have the clamato picante. You have another one. And black pepper. You gotta put some black pepper in it. And a little bit of Lori's seasoned salt. I'm a little slurring here, but this is a cup I've been using. And I get 2 beers into it. After a little work of it fizzing up. But I'm not going to tell you the amounts. You can put what you like and test it out. But you know, I put up to here with the picante sauce, the clamato, and then a good healthy dose of the seasonings. But you got to have the black pepper, the chili lime, and real Lee and Perrins Worcestershire. Otherwise, you're wasting your damn time. So look at that, and stir it up real good. Give it a good stir. Get all them spices blended in, that pepper. Like I said, I'm not going to show you the amounts of spices because you'll figure it out. Start with a small 1 beer one and do it, and then just double it up. But this is the best I've ever had of making them. So get you these seasonings, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Peace out.